For the fourth time, an Italian court will determine the fate of Amanda Knox. Italy's top judge today have to decide whether to uphold the Seattle woman's murder conviction. Their decision could spark a fierce extradition fight. 48 Hours correspondent Peter Van Sant has covered this story from the very beginning. Peter, good morning.
Good morning. Amanda Knox's Italian attorney this morning says Amanda is worried and has had a sleepless night. A close friend told us she is having a very hard time as she awaits a decision from Italy's Supreme Court in a case that never seems to end. The absence of Amanda Knox didn't stop the media frenzy outside an Italian courtroom this morning, where authorities could decide once and for all whether Knox is a free woman. It's the latest chapter in a nearly 8-year saga involving allegations of satanic sex rituals, murder, and lies. Journalist and author Nina Burley has been following the case and wrote a cover story for Newsweek.
It's a complicated story, and a lot of Italians believe that a guilty girl was sent back to the United States.
In November 2007, the body of Meredith Kircher was discovered in a pool of blood at the house she shared with Knox. Knox and her then-boyfriend, an Italian citizen named Raffaele Sollecito, were seen kissing outside the crime scene in Perugia. Days later, they were arrested. Knox and Sollecito were each sentenced to more than 2 decades in prison. But after serving 4 years, they were acquitted on appeal in 2011.
Silenzio, silenzio, per favore, silenzio.
Amanda Knox has been found not guilty in the murder of Meredith Kircher. Knox returned to her hometown of Seattle, a free woman.
Thank you to everyone.
But last January, Italy's highest appeals court found the pair guilty again. If the court decides to uphold its conviction, Italy could ask the U.S. to extradite Knox from Seattle.
If the Italians make an extradition request, they're setting up a diplomatic showdown.
Knox, who is reportedly working as a freelance writer, has said she would never return to Italy, at least not willingly.
They'll have to catch me and pull me back, kicking and screaming, into a prison that I don't deserve to be in.
Ever since Italy's Supreme Court decided to rule on Amanda's latest conviction, Meredith Kircher's family has made its wishes clear. They are convinced of Amanda's guilt and would like to see her imprisoned back where this all began, in Italy.
We will know later today. Thank you, Peter.